This digital mini allows building professionals, such as flood damage restoration contractors, surveyors, home builders, and architects, to assess building moisture levels during new build and refurbishing activities. It helps you easily identify the extent of the moisture penetration, diagnose the cause of the problem, and monitor changes in moisture level. Plus, the ability to add optional attachments and a patent-pending reference mode enables you to compare your reading with a baseline measurement. All Protimeter instruments have a 2-year warranty. Applications. The Digital Mini is the perfect tool for getting accurate readings in a wide range of building materials. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. This easy-to-use and rugged pin-type meter allows the user to either push the pins deep into the material with its versatile accessories or lightly press the pins on the surface, barely leaving a mark. The intuitive color LED and backlit LCD provide a clear and quick display of high moisture areas. The Digital Mini uses the same attachment as the rest of the Protimeter range, including the hammer electrode, and is ideal for building surveys, fire and flood restoration, concrete surface measurement, indoor air quality, environmental health, and wooden subfloor and hardwood flooring. Features: rugged construction, large backlit display, pin moisture measurement, wide range of accessory plugins. Benefits: easy to use, allows rapid assessment of building moisture, instant readings in a wide range of building materials, and so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Does this need calibrating before each use? What kind of calibration is required for use? Answer: no. This cannot be calibrated. It comes with a calibration check tool. You can check that it is within calibration every time you use it if you would like to do so. But if the meter is out of calibration, it has to be returned to the manufacturer for repair or replacement. It comes standard with a 2-year warranty. Question number 2. Will this measure moisture in the concrete to see if it can be coated with epoxy? Answer: no, this is a pin-only moisture meter for wood and other building materials. It is not used on concrete. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.